In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt View in Smartsheet. Timeline Layout 2026. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. If you already have an account, sign in. Keep this quick. Enter your credentials or use your organization's single sign-on. Approve any verification step if prompted, and you're in. After you log in, you'll land on your home area. Think of this as your command center. From here, you can access recent items, favorites, and, most importantly for this tutorial, your workspaces and sheets. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Smartsheet updates its interface periodically, but the core navigation remains similar. Next, let's get to the sheet you want to use. Head to your Browse or Workspaces area, then open all workspaces. Choose the specific workspace where your project lives, and select the sheet you want. Any project sheet that includes start and end dates or a duration column can display a timeline. Once your sheet is open, switch the view to Gantt. You'll usually find the View menu near the top of the sheet. Select Gantt to reveal the timeline on the right and the grid on the left. If the Gantt doesn't appear, double-check that your sheet has date columns mapped correctly. Smartsheet uses those dates to draw the bars automatically. Now, let's talk about how Gantt View works. On the left, your grid shows tasks, owners, dates, and other details. On the right, the Gantt chart visualizes those tasks as horizontal bars across time. You can drag the ends of a bar to adjust start and finish dates, and Smartsheet will update the grid for you. To show task relationships, use the predecessors column or draw dependency links between bars. This keeps schedules aligned when one task shifts. If a task has 0 duration, it appears as a milestone. Great for key approvals or launch dates. Hierarchy is powerful here. Indent tasks to create parent rows that summarize the timing of their children. If you track % complete, you'll see progress shaded within each bar, which makes status checks easy at a glance. Use the zoom controls to switch between days, weeks, months, quarters, or years, depending on the level of detail you need. If your project has a lot of tasks, collapse sections to focus, or filter the grid to highlight what matters. Color coding with symbols or custom fields can make your timeline even clearer. That's the basics. Open your sheet, switch to Gantt View, and use dates, dependencies, and hierarchy to visualize your plan. Once you're comfortable, you can fine-tune the scale, adjust bars directly, and keep your timeline clean and readable for your team.